In my pressure cooker, I'm going to be adding in 2 seasoned and shredded chicken breasts. I'm also going to be adding in 1 can of corn, 1 can of peas, and I've got 1 1/3 cups of tomato sauce and 1 1/3 cups of noodles. Now I'm going to add water to cover. We want to make sure we're adding plenty of water here. All right, now time to add some seasonings. So to start off, I'm going to be adding in 1 seasoning cube. I'm also going to add in 1 heaping spoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of salt, and here I've got a teaspoon of paprika. All right, now that our seasonings are added, I'm going to give this a really good stir. You can add more spices if you like. Use whatever seasonings you like best and whatever you have at home. That would work just fine. Okay, now that everything is mixed up really well, we are going to cover and we're going to let it stand for 2 minutes until our pot is pressurized. All right, after the pressure's on, we're going to leave it for 2 minutes. After this time, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to wait for the pressure to release. Okay, so after the pressure is released, we're going to open it. Be very careful when using a pressure cooker. Look how gorgeous this looks. All right, we're going to stir this mixture and we're going to incorporate everything really well. And now I'm going to be adding in some ham, just like that, and some chopped mozzarella cheese. You can use grated cheese if you like that better. I've got some bacon that I fried up earlier. You can add bacon or calabrese sausage or both if you prefer. And this is 400 grams of cream cheese. And we're going to stir everything and mix it really well together. Now, when you start to stir, you're going to see our cheese is beginning to melt. If you prefer ricotta cheese, you can add that instead. Add whatever you like to this recipe and it'll be really good. Make this recipe at home. You will love it. All right, the noodles are looking well cooked. Everything looks creamy. Oh, this is looking so delicious. This really is a recipe for the whole family. It's super quick and really easy to make. With 2 minutes, you've basically cooked for the whole family. It's a really good recipe. Alrighty here, and to finish, I am going to be sprinkling some chips on top. Look how gorgeous this is looking. The potato chips really make it. I definitely encourage you to make it at home.